Today we are working on final stable syllable, S-I-O-N. And final stable syllable is just like final stable syllable, B-L-E, final stable syllable, P-L-E. We have a bracket here. And when we have a bracket there, we're going to put our accent mark in front of it when we are coding our words. Now, S-I-O-N has two sounds. It has shun and jeune. You'll notice I put the upside down E here, so you will know that is the schwa sound for the E. Now, the most difficult part of final stable syllable S-I-O-N and it making two sounds is there are rules that we will go by. The letters S-I-O-N says shun when they follow any consonant except R. For example, session, S-E-S-S-I-O-N. I look at this word, there, sorry, now you can see the word. I look at this word and I see a final stable syllable. So I'm automatically going to go up here and I'm going to bracket. I'm going to put my accent mark right there. Then I have a vowel followed by a consonant. It is short, so I'm going to code it with a breathe. And we have session. It has the shun sound. Okay, and you'll notice we have a consonant here. Now, so if a consonant is here, you're going to have shun. But except there's a couple differences. I always tell you English is hard. So we're going to have to say that if the R is in front of it, it does not make the shun sound. It makes the jeune sound. I can write this word here. And this word is version. This is session. This is version, a different version of a book, a different kind of a book. Once again, I have a final stable syllable, S-I-O-N. I have a combination here, and I have my accent mark there. So this R made it say the jeune sound. This consonant made it say the shun sound. Okay, then we have words like F-U-S-I-O-N. We look at this word and we say, okay, I have a final stable syllable, so I'm going to code it with a bracket. I'm going to automatically put my accent mark there. Then I have a opened, there's no consonant here, I happen to have an open vowel. That tells me I'm going to make it a long sound. So we have fusion. Okay? This will be long because it's in front of the bracket. Again, just like here, I have an R, changing my rules again. I also have an I that will change my rules. So if I have an I in front of here, okay, then I look at this and I see that I have a final stable syllable. I'm going to bracket it. And then I'm going to put my accent mark. Now I look at this and I say, oh, Mrs. Henley, I have a vowel here. I'm going to code it with a macron. And I'm like, but vision, I've never heard of that word. So, but I do know a word named vision, or a vision. You correct your vision with glasses. So we would have to code it with a short the short sound. So we have if you have an I in front of S-I-O-N, it changes it and it changes the vowel sound here on I's only. It makes us have the short sound. And I know that's a little bit confusing, but I'm really sorry about that. English is a hard language. So let's go over it again. Let's review. We have session. We have our final stable syllable, S-I-O-N. I put my bracket. I put my accent mark. I look over here. I have a consonant. my vowels in front of that consonant, so I'm going to code it with a breve. Over here, and that is session. Here we have version. My R made that say the Z sound. I have a combination here, so that is version. Now over here, I have a vowel in front of the S-I-O-N, which makes that a long sound. If I had A there, it would be the same way. So it would be fusion. I again, that's the one that sneaks up and tricks us. The I in front of S-I-O-N becomes short. And this is vision. I hope that this is a little bit clearer for you, and we'll work on the worksheets, and I will send